Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In today's video, let us see few more examples on solving pair of linear equations by graphical method. The first example is solve the following pair of linear equations graphically. Equation number 1, x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, and equation number 2, 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. So the first equation is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Bring it to the standard form, that is minus y is equal to shift plus x plus 1 towards right side. You will be getting minus x minus 1. If minus y is equal to minus x minus 1, then y must be equal to x plus 1. So let us construct the table for the values of x and y by considering the values of x from ourselves. So let us consider the value of x as 1. Replace x by 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2. If the value of x is 1, the value of y will be 2. Now let us take the value of x as 2. Replace x by 2. 2 plus 1 will be 3. If the value of x in this particular equation taken as 2, the value of y will be 3. Now in the same way, let us go for the second equation. 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. So 2y is equal to 12 minus 12 shifted to RHS plus 12 plus 3x. If you take it to RHS, you will be getting minus 3x. So 2y is equal to 12 minus 3x. Therefore y is equal to 12 minus 3x upon 2. Now consider the value of x as 1. So 3 ones are 3. 12 minus 3 will be 9, and 9 is not completely divisible by 2. Therefore you leave 1, you shift to the next number, that is 2. 3 2s are 6. Okay, 12 minus 6 will be 6, and 6 is an even number which is completely divisible by 2. Therefore if the value of x is 2 in this equation, the value of y will be 3, because 2 3s are 6. 12 minus 6 will be 6. 6 upon 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now let us go for the value of x as 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 12 will be 0, and 0 upon 2 or 0 upon any number is 0. If the value of x in this particular equation is taken as 4, the value of y, what we are getting, will be 0. So in this way, in this calculative part, we have 4 ordered pairs of numbers. Now let us plot these ordered pairs onto the graph sheet. The first ordered pair is plus 1 plus 2. Plus 1 is here, and y-axis plus 2, we have to move vertically upward. So this is the point showing abscissa and ordinate as plus 1 and plus 2. Now second ordered pair is 2 and 3. 2 is here, so go vertically upward to get 3 on the same line. This is the point showing 2 3. Draw a line passing through, and you know this is the graph of linear equation x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So in the same way, let us plot the ordered pairs 2 and 3 and that of 4 and 0. 2 and 3, x2 and y3, the point already we have on the graph sheet. Second pair is 4 0. X-axis 4 is here, y-axis 0 means same plus 4 number shows the abscissa and ordinate as 4 0. So 2 points are with us. Draw a line passing through. So this is the graph of equation 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now these two lines, they are intersecting at a common point, at a single point. Draw perpendiculars on x-axis and y-axis respectively from that common point, and see where the perpendiculars are falling. On x-axis the perpendicular is falling on 2, hence the value of x in this equation is 2, and on y-axis the perpendicular is falling on 3, and the value of y in this particular example is 3. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 is called the solution set for these two equations, and this method is called solving pair of linear equations in two variables by graphical method. So coming to second example, solve the following pair of linear equations graphically. 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0, equation number 1. 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0, equation number 2. Now consider the first equation. 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Bring it to the standard form. Y is equal to minus 6 will become plus 6, and plus 2x, if you shift it to RHS, it will become minus 2x, minus 2x. So y is equal to 6 minus 2x is the equation, and from this equation, by considering the values of x, let us find the values of y. Let us consider the value of x as 1. So 2 1s are 2, 6 minus 2 will be 4. If the value of x is 1, the value of y in this particular equation will be 4. Now take the value of x as 2, replace x by 2, so 2 2s are 4, 6 minus 4 will be 2. If the value of x is 2, the value of y is also 2, as per the equation 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now coming to the second equation, 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. This whole equation is divisible by 2, so divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4, that is 2x, minus 2 1s are 2, that is 1y, minus 2 2s are 4, that is minus 2 is equal to 0. So after dividing the given equation by 2, what equation we are getting is 2x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Bring it to the standard form. Minus y is equal to minus 2 will be converted to plus 2, and plus 2x will be in minus 2x. Minus y is equal to 2 minus 2x, hence y will be equaling to plus 2x minus 2. Now consider the value of x as 1, replace x by 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 minus 2 will be 0. If the value of x for this equation is 1, the value of y will be 0. Now consider the value of x as 2 by replacing this x by 2, 2 2s are 4 we are getting, and if we subtract 2 from 4, 4 minus 2, the value of y will be 2. Now in this way we have completed the calculative part. Let us plot these points onto the graph sheet. The first pair is 1 4, x-axis 1 is here, and y-axis 4 means this is all mechanical work, you have to go vertically upward. Okay, now second 2 2, x is 2 here, and y-axis 2 means you have to again go vertically upward. You will be getting 2 points here. You join these points to get a line, and this line is nothing but graph of linear equation 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. So in the same way, go for 1 0, 1 is here, and 0 means the same point. Okay, then 2 2, 2 is here, x-axis 2 and y-axis 2 means we have to go upward. Already we have that point on the graph of linear equation 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. So these 2 points are with us. Draw a line passing through, or in other words, join these 2 points to get one more line, and this line is nothing but graph of the linear equation 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. These two lines are intersecting at a point. Draw two perpendiculars, one on x-axis and the other on y-axis. Okay, therefore write the values. the value of x is 2 and the value of y is also 2 in this particular example. So the solution set for these equations is 2 and 2, or x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. So this is the second example of today's video. So dear students, coming to third example, solve the following pair of linear equations graphically or by graphical method. First equation is 5x minus y is equal to 5u. Second equation is 3x minus y is equal to 3. 5x minus y is equal to 5u. Bring it to standard form. Minus y is equal to 5u minus 5x. Minus y is equal to 5u minus 5x. Then y will be equal to 5ux minus 5. Let us construct the table for the values of x and y for this particular equation. Let us consider the value of x as 1. 5u 1s are 5u. 5u minus 5 will be 0. If the value of x is 1, the value of y will be 0 for this particular equation. Let us go with the value of x as 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 5 will be 2. If the value of x in this particular equation is taken as 2, the value of y, what we got after substitution, is 5. Now coming to the second equation, 3x minus y is equal to 3. So minus y is equal to 3 minus 3x. Y is equal to 3x minus 3. If the value of x taken as 1, 3 1s are 1 3s are 3 1s are 3. 3 minus 3 will be 0. If x is 1, y will be 0. Let us go with the value of x as 2. 3 2s are 6, or 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 3 will be 3. If the value of x in this particular equation is 2, the value of y, what we obtained by substitution of the value of x, is 3. Now let us plot these points. First pair is 1 0. 1 0 means this point, plus 1, y 0 means the same point. Then 2 5. 2 is here. Go vertically upward till you get 5u on right side of y-axis. This is the point, shows the abscissa and ordinate as 2 and 5u. Draw a line joining these points. Okay, so this is the linear graph of equation 5x minus y is equal to 5. In the same way, first pair of second equation is 1 0. X-axis 1, y-axis 0 means same number, same point. Okay, 2 3, 2 is here. Okay, go vertically upward. So here somewhere you will be getting that point. Draw a line joining or passing through these 2 points. This is the linear graph of second equation, that is 3x minus y is equal to 3. These 2 lines are intersecting at this point. They are meeting at this point. Hence the value of x here is 1 and that of the value of y is 0. So 1 0 is the solution set for this example, or the solution set for these 2 pair of linear equations. So the next example is solve equations 2x plus y is equal to 5u and 2x plus 2y is equal to 8 graphically. The first equation is 2x plus y is equal to 5u, therefore y is equal to 5u minus 2x. Okay, let us take the value of x as 1. 2 1s are 2, 5u minus 2 will be 3. Let us consider the value of x as 2. 2 2s are 4, 5u minus 4 will be 1. So 1 3 and 2 2 are the 2 ordered pairs for the values of x and y. For this first equation, 2x plus y is equal to 5. So in the same way, coming to the second equation, 2x plus 2y is equal to 8. You see, this equation will be completely divisible by 2. Let us divide this whole equation by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So x plus y is equal to 4 will be our new equation after dividing the given equation by 2. Now x plus y is equal to 4, then y will be equal into 4 minus x. Okay, let us consider the value of x as 1. So 4 minus 1 will be 3, and if you take the value of x as 2, 4 minus 2 will be 2. 1 3 and 2 2 are the two ordered pairs for the values of x and y in this particular equation. 2x plus 2y is equal to 8. Now let us construct or plot these 4 points onto the graph sheet. The first pair is 1 3, 1 is here to go vertically upward, so this will be the point showing abscissa and ordinate as 1 3. Second one is 2 1, 2 is here, 1 means you have to go up. Okay, now this is the point showing 2 1. Draw a line passing through. This is all mechanical work. Okay, write the equation 2x plus y is equal to 5. So this is the linear graph of equation 2x plus y is equal to 5. Now the second equation's first ordered pair is 1 3, 1 is here, 3 means you have to go vertically upwards. That point already we have on this line. Okay, then 2 2, 2 is here, then go vertically upward till you get 2 towards right side. So this and these two are the points. Draw a line passing through these 2 points. This is the line or the graph of equation 2x plus 2y is equal to 8. So these two lines are intersecting at one common point here. Draw two perpendiculars, one on x-axis and another on y-axis. Okay, so therefore the perpendicular falls on 1 on x-axis, therefore the value of x is 1, and the perpendicular is falling on 3 of y-axis, so the value of y is 3. So in this way 1 3 is the solution set for the equations 2x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 8. So this is how by graphical method we solve the pair of linear equations into variables. Dear students, I have given 3 examples for you as homework. HW, solve following pair of linear equations graphically. Example 1, x plus y is equal to 10, x minus y is equal to 4. The first example. Example number 2, the first equation is x plus y is equal to 7. The second equation is x minus y is equal to 1. And example number 3, the first equation is x minus 2y is equal to 0, and that of second equation 3x plus 4y minus 20 is equal to 0. So these 3 examples I have given you as homework, and I hope you solve these examples. Thank you very much.